Welcome back. This is Shaw Shara. Hey, check it out. So I got some recipes coming up, and I need some green seasoning. And it's going to be using both of them. So I figured I would just make a video to show you how to make the green seasoning. Soul of the South is used it a lot. So here it is. Let's get to it. Alright, so for this we have 4 cut up green bell peppers. We have 2 red bell peppers. We have 1 medium to large onion. We have 3 stalks of celery. We have a handful of cilantro. We have 5 small chicken bouillon cubes. And we have some minced garlic. Probably about 3 tablespoons worth. Well, technically 2.5, but you know what I'm talking about. And we're going to blend these together to make our green seasoning. Soul of the South. Okay, so let's start adding our ingredients. I think I'm going to start off with cilantro. Add the cilantro. You know, when you're making stews or chitlins or hog maws, and you find you're always putting the same ingredients in there. So let's make this green seasoning. Yeah, you can make it ahead of time, and you don't have to worry about it. You know, you already have that part done and taken care of. Okay, now with the celery, now we're going to add the onions into it. All right, we're going to add the chicken bouillon cubes to it while we're at it, and the minced garlic. All right, add into it. Okay, then we're going to add the red bell peppers. We're saving the green bell peppers for last, by the way. Okay, into this we're going to add a half a cup of water. Just to help it out. We're going to blend this up. And then after we blend it up, we're going to add the green bell pepper. Alright, here we go. Let us now add the green bell pepper. Here. Okay, put the lid back on. We'll blend this again to blend this up. Oh, and before I forget, at this point, you can add some salt and pepper. You don't need that much salt and pepper because you don't know what you're going to be using it, what food you're going to be cooking with. So, just put a little bit of pepper in it, maybe a teaspoon. Okay. And the same for salt. Maybe a teaspoon of salt. I wouldn't advise going higher than that because, you know, when you're cooking your other meals, you're going to be adding this as well. Alright, let's blend this up. Okay, the consistency looks good. Just double check it. Yeah, that looks good. And you want to put this in a jar or a container and put it in the fridge for at least an hour before you use it. So I just happen to have a large canning jar that I will be pouring it into. Alright, let's get that nice in there. Pour it in. We have a spatula here. Make sure we get all the goodness. Make sure we get all this out of here. Well, as much as we can. You know, waste not, want not. There we go. And there we have it. Soul of the South, green seasoning. Let's get the lid on this, and we'll be all set. Here's the thing with the green seasoning. if you're cooking anything, whether it be stews, extended things like hog dogs or chitlins, hey, if you put olive oil in this, just a quarter of a cup olive oil, mix it up, you can use that. Now you got to marinate. You can marinate your steaks, chicken, and seafood with it, and barbecue it up. You could put that in pretty much anything, and it will enhance the flavor. You know, why keep cutting up the vegetables time and time again when you can do one big batch? You have all the flavors of the South, the soul of the South, if you will, and have people guessing what's in it because you blended it up so you can't tell what's in it. All you know is the flavors are delicious. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Is it delicious? Yeah. Quite tasty indeed. So take this recipe, knock yourself out. That being said, this raw, I am out. I gotta eat.